Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. This is Jasmy. Today we are trading at 4082 and we're still looking to continue even lower. So the main plan remains down there. We're still looking for 1953. So that's still a game plan that I'm looking forward to for Jasmy as well. But I'm still bothered about one thing, if Jasmy can make another 3 black crows moving forward, I don't think it's gonna go this month. Who knows? You can actually capitulate down there. If it does go down there, then I expect that that's going to be a capitulation. But if you come down here and close like this, that's not a good idea because you're going to be making 3 black crows with this 3 red candles on a monthly back-to-back. And that means that you could potentially continue lower because making 3 red candles again is just like doing this very similar situation. 3 red, actually, you know what? Let me remove all the drawings. So 3 red candles, bear flag, continue lower, okay? 3 red candles, bear flag, continue lower. And if you're gonna capitulate down there to 1953, another 3 red candles, a little bit of a green like this, and maybe a bear flag, and still continue lower. So it's a good idea to wait for some reversal signs, which I'm going to talk about when they happen. But unfortunately, I'm going to head back to why 1953 was always in play, and that is because you do have this, bearish rectangle. And I'm going to show you the bearish rectangle right there, and that's just how they look like. You can see when you go down for downtrend, you're stuck in a box and then you move lower. It's just like this in a line representation. So you went down, you move sideways and then break down and continue lower. So Jasmy did this very same thing, and I talked about this one in some old video. I'm not bothered to show you right now, but you went down like this, you got stuck in this box right over there, and then you broke down. And it's simple technical a bearish rectangle trade right there, just like this, and you want to take the top to the bottom right there, and this is where you broke out of, and it's simple target down to so now we actually have 1600 and it's not even 1953. It's a technical target. Again, look at this. Okay, so if you take the top to that bottom right there, but sometimes you don't have to consider the wick, so I'm gonna take the body and let's remeasure again. Yep, still 1800, 1900. It's just that technical target right there. You can just say, even if you want to drop a box, it's just a zone, this is the zone we're looking for, something like that. So that's pretty much it for this Jasmy update. Anyways, if you ever want to learn, if you've been watching Jasmy for a long time, you know that I've been right for many videos until now, and from the very beginning I've been covering Jasmy, and you can see how I've been trading. If you want to learn, I've made 19 hours course of content, and you can always check this out. It's designed for beginners. You don't need to be a pro. I'm gonna teach you from the very beginning, from the very baby steps to trade how I'm trading. And if you want to get a discount, you can message me on AdamCoins_ on Twitter. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.